Here are 10 interesting fun facts about Antarctica. Antarctica is the coldest, windiest, and driest continent on Earth, with temperatures dropping as low as 80 degrees, 112 degrees, and winds reaching speeds of up to 200 miles, 320 km. Despite its icy conditions, Antarctica is actually considered a desert, receiving very little precipitation each year. It's the driest continent, with some areas receiving only 2 inches 50 millimeters of precipitation annually. Antarctica is home to the South Pole, which is located at the center of the continent. It experiences 6 months of continuous daylight during the summer and 6 months of darkness during the winter. The continent is covered by a massive ice sheet that holds about 70% of the world's fresh water. If all the ice were to melt, global sea levels would rise by over 60 meters, 200 feet. Antarctica has no native human population, but it does have temporary research stations inhabited by scientists from various countries. These stations study everything from climate change to astronomy. The Antarctic ice sheet is so heavy that it has depressed the continent's landmass by about 1,000 meters, 3,281 feet in some areas, creating a basin that is below sea level. Despite its harsh environment, Antarctica is home to diverse wildlife, including penguins, seals, whales, and various species of birds. These animals have adapted to survive in extreme cold conditions. Antarctica is the only continent without a time zone. Instead, research stations typically use the time zone of the country that operates the station, or Coordinated Universal Time, UTC. The Antarctic Treaty, signed in 1959, designates Antarctica as a scientific preserve and prohibits military activity, mineral mining, and nuclear testing on the continent. It's one of the most successful international agreements for environmental protection. Antarctica was not always covered in ice. Fossil evidence suggests that it was once a lush, forested landmass with a temperate climate inhabited by dinosaurs and other ancient creatures millions of years ago.